Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through the quick and easy steps to turn on comments for your pins on Pinterest. If you've ever noticed that people aren't able to leave comments on your posts, or you simply want to encourage more interaction, you'll want to make sure this setting is enabled. Let's get started right away. First, open the Pinterest app on your phone. Once you're inside the app, look at the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on your profile picture. This takes you directly to your profile page, where you'll see all of your pins, boards, and account details. Next, you'll need to head into your account settings. To do this, look toward the top of your profile page and tap on the small settings icon. It usually appears as a gear-shaped symbol. Once you tap on it, you'll see a list of different settings and account options that you can adjust. Now, scroll through the list until you spot the option labeled Social Permissions. Tap on that to open up the page. This section controls how your pins interact with the Pinterest community, and it's the place where you control access to features like comments. From here, look for the option that says, Allow comments on your pins. You'll notice a small toggle switch sitting right next to it. If the switch is currently off, that means comments are disabled. To turn comments on, simply tap the toggle until it shows as active. Once the switch moves over and the color changes, comments are officially enabled. That's all it takes. Now, other Pinterest users can leave feedback, share their thoughts, and start conversations directly on your pins. Turning on comments is a great way to boost engagement and make your boards more dynamic, since it allows the community to connect with you and your ideas. So the next time you post something creative or inspiring, your followers and visitors won't just be saving your pins. They'll also be able to start a discussion. Give this a try today to open the door to more interaction and engagement with your Pinterest community.